In today's video, I'm going to be showing you these crazy Aaron's thinking putties that were sent to me from CoolStuff.com. The first one I have here is the Phantom Thinking Putty. It comes in 3 different styles, and this one is called Arctic Flare. Like all thinking putties, it can be stretched, ripped, kneaded and twisted. What's really special about this one is that it comes with a UV light that you can use to draw onto the putty. If you move the UV light closer, the drawing will be darker, and if you move it further away, it will be lighter. After a short while, the colour fades away and you can start drawing again. Another cool feature about this putty is that when you turn the lights off, it glows brightly in the dark. The next putty I have here is the Magnetics Gold Rush Thinking Putty. This one comes with a very strong magnet that can be used to charge the putty to make it magnetic. To charge the putty, you will need to place the magnet onto the putty for at least 5 seconds, and then it will become magnetic. Another cool feature is that if you pull out a strand from the putty and then hold the magnet over it, you can twirl the magnet around to make the putty move. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss a video.